Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to make mouse cursor hide automatically or manually in any Mac computers. So without further delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open any web browser and in the Google search for one application name as Cursor Sharer by Doom Ledger, and on the first list you'll see its official website. Just click on it. Just scroll down below. Now you'll see your download option. Just click on download. So finally the file has been downloaded, so let me go to the folder where it's being downloaded and let me close this web browser. Now just double click it to extract this zip file. Now you can see here cursorsharer.preppane, so just double click it to run it. So now you need to click on this install. Now you can see the pre-included Google Cursor hotkey, so it's the Option, Control and K. You can manually set it also by clicking on set. So I'll just keep the default one, and below you can see here hide idle cursor after, so you can choose this respective time in order to make this mouse cursor automatically hide. So let us keep it for a few seconds and let me just place the mouse cursor. As you can see, it gets automatically hidden, and if I move the mouse then it will show back. Since I've selected this always show cursor if moved, so this is a automatically hiding cursor. So if you want to manually hide, then you can just set this to never, then it don't hide automatically. And now if you want to manually hide, just use the cursor hotkey. So let me press Option, Control and K. So you can see the mouse cursor get hidden. So now if you want to unhide it again, just once again press Option, Control and K again in order to unhide it again. And if you want to remove or uninstall this application, then just go back to the same option under the settings and just right mouse click on this cursor sharer. Now you'll see here remove cursor sharer settings pane. Just click on it and it will get removed. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily make mouse cursor hide automatically or manually in any Mac computers very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.